Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A23 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and then click on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we are logging into two accounts at the same time, and just to log out from one from this account in Gmail application, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. Just to do that, we should click Manage Accounts on this device, select one from these two accounts and tap to remove. After that, confirm reaction by click here Remove Account again and go back to the application. Now let's refresh it and we can see that we stay only with one account in our Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.